Hi everyone, welcome to Life in 360. This video is about your baby's dental care. This is Chicco oral care set from 4 months and it has a finger toothbrush and a gum gel. Dental hygiene habits should start from the beginning, even before the first tooth comes in. This kit is really the best one for your little one, so you can use it from the very beginning, that is from the 4th month onwards. From the 4th month onwards, the teeth will start to grow up and it will cause a pain and irritation in the gums of the little ones. The main benefit of this product is it reduces the irritation in the gums, also it kills the bacteria, and using it regularly avoids and removes the stains. This one is the gum gel. You only need to add more amount for cleaning, you just need a small amount for everyday usage. It is safe to swallow because it don't have any harmful chemicals, so it is very safe for your baby. The gel is transparent and doesn't have any flavor. The finger brush is made up of soft silicone, which is perfectly fits in the adult's finger. The bristles are very soft so that you can massage and clean the gums very gently. If you want to start the dental hygiene habits very early, this kit is a perfect one for your little ones. I bought this one from the First Cry shop. Also it is available in online too, so make use of it. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching.